Hello, my most amazing artists. All right, let's finish up our Salvador Dali inspired spring birds. I have made a little how to draw bird sheet, and we're gonna draw it on our square painted paper. So we're gonna start with step one by drawing this straight horizontal line with the little rainbow line for the top of our bird. I don't wanna draw it at the bottom, and I don't wanna draw it right up next to the top. I'm gonna kind of come down. This is middle. I might come up right halfway between the top and the middle of the paper with my little rainbow line. Then step two is to connect that with a big letter U. That is the belly of our bird. Step three, we're gonna add our cute little beak and an eye. Now this is just a dot. If you wanna make it so that way you can see the pupil inside, you can do that. Step four is adding the tail feathers. And now, normally there's a wing right here too, which we could just draw, or, so like for example, you could just draw the wing, but I think it would be so cool if we use some of this extra painted paper to cut one out and glue it on so it actually flaps open and closed. So I'm gonna draw a wing. I'm gonna extend it, make it extra long, so that way I have space to fold it over. So maybe I even make a little dashed line. That's where I'm going to fold. All right, now it's time to cut. All right. Now that I have this all cut out, it is time to glue my wing on and glue my bird onto my sunset paper. So I'm gonna fold on that dashed line, and I'm gonna put glue on this folded part. So open up my glue stick, twist it up, add a little glue on that little folded tab, and whoops, stick it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope it sticks. And now I got a little birdie wing. Ta-da! How fun is that? All right, now I want to attach my bird onto my big paper. And there's a black paper you'll see here. I'll talk about that in a moment. I'm gonna flip my bird upside down. Put a good amount of glue. I should really have a messy mat, but I'll just be extra careful. Lather that up. Get the beak. Now, I don't want to put it way down here because I want to create those really silly long bird legs, just like the artist Salvador Dali did in his artwork. So that's glued on there. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie, and these are the legs I'm talking about. They're going to be two wavy, squiggly, long birdie legs. And then you'll add a little birdie feet at the bottom with some 3 toes. Now, if you're like, oh, Mrs. V, I don't like the color of my beak, we can try to take a crayon and color over the top of your dried painting to give it a orange beak instead. I might even try to layer a little bit of yellow on there, see if it brightens it up. Didn't work, but it was worth trying. Now, to give this a more finished look, we are going to glue this onto our black paper, trying to center it the best we can. So I'm gonna flip this over, use my glue stick again. Although this time, I'm only going to glue in the corners and then connect those corners with one glue line. I don't need to fill my entire paper with glue. That's just being a little wasteful. Just enough glue to get it to stick. Flip it over, center it the best I can, looking at these sides, top, bottom, And now I think I'll flip it over and massage. Massage all along those edges. Now, also, now that I have it flipped over, I just realized I glued it down so I no longer can see my name. That's okay. Just take a white crayon or white pencil or even a regular pencil and rewrite your name. Flip it over and your masterpiece is complete. Great job. I can't wait to see what yours turn into.